I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. I just kinda wish you were gay. Hi, welcome back to another One Chart lesson. Today we are doing Wish You Were Gay by Billie Eilish. It's a really cute little song. It's very easy to play. We're going to take you through the basic open chord shapes and a couple of little extra picking bits if you want to do those, which are optional. First of all, we're going to go through the chords. They are A minor, D7, a G major 7. Now that's basically your normal G is like this, which we also use, but your G major 7, this note on the E string, the high E string, actually needs to go down to the 2nd fret. So the way we do that is we put our first finger on that note and our other 2 fingers on the E and A strings on the bottom for our bass notes in the chord. So it's like that. That's a G major 7. Then the E minor is the only other one, dead easy chords. So let's get started. We begin with just picking or strumming the chords. Now I'm playing a nylon string guitar here today because that's kind of what you hear at the start of this song and it suits the song. Of course you can play it on electric, acoustic, steel string, nylon string, whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. You strum, thumb, finger, pick, also doesn't matter. A lot of the time I'll be doing this because that's kind of my natural way of playing, but you can strum it if you prefer. So we start off this really easy song by playing our basic A minor chord. So it's, baby, I don't feel so good, 6 words you never understood. That's the progression, and that progression goes through pretty much the whole song. It doesn't change very much at all. Sometimes it's the G major 7, sometimes it's the normal G major. But if you follow your chart through, the verse starts with that line, repeating that progression twice, so a total of 4 bars. The second line, we start doing these little arpeggios. Now all that is exactly the same chord, but now with our fingers, or you can do it with a pick. You can pick the bass note, the A string in this case for the A minor, then you play the last 3 strings like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The second time through, on both the first line and the second line I should point out, it's the normal G major. Now, you can play it with the same fingers that you do the G major 7, if that makes things more simple for you, but it means that the pinky's got to take that note on the 3rd fret E string. It's up to you. You can change your fingers around and do it that way, and you can do the other the other G chord of playing the 3rd fret on the B string as well. So as we pick our way through those chords, we get to the end of that first verse, and what we do is we play the G major followed by a chord strum. Then we move into the chorus and our rhythm slightly changes. We go just 2 strums on the first 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we hit this E minor, the notes on your chart go E, E, F sharp, G, or 0, 0, 2, 3, if you like. The first of those notes, the first 0, you can actually, if you want to, you can strum an E minor chord and then play the next 3 notes. Right, so it sounds like this. All you do is look the other way. E minor. I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. I just kind of wish you were gay. Finish that chorus on the G major. Hit the repeat sign, go right back to the start, and we're doing the second verse. Now all the way through this second verse we have these arpeggios. And as an extra level, if you want to do this, you can add the bass notes. Now I'll put up another chart for download that includes these bass notes, but it makes things a little bit busier in this section. So if that's too much for you, just stick to the first version, which picks through the chords simply like that and gives you a breathing space in between these chords. Otherwise, we're going something like that. But as I said, I'll put that on another chart and you can take it or leave it. Then after the second time we go through the chorus, we head into the bridge, which again is the same bunch of chords, but now we're just going. That's the way you strum your way through the bridge. So the bridge section is the same chords, but just a simple one strum on each one. And the same little riff that goes up. You do that 3 times, and then after you move through that repeat section for the 3rd time, it stays on the A minor. Can't stand another day, stand another day. And in those 2 bars you can actually then we move into what's a quiet sort of little half verse. It's actually a half chorus. And when you do that the first time, you hold that G major 7 now for the whole bar, so it doesn't go down to the E minor. All you do is look the other way, G major. Then it moves into the full-on chorus. I can't tell you how much I wish I didn't want to stay. On the E minor. I just kinda wish you were gay, G. I just kinda wish you were gay. On the last one, I just kinda wish you were gay. Slows down and ends on the G major like that. Like I said, a really simple song, very cute, fun to play, easy as pie. Thank you for watching. Join me here for another lesson very soon. We might be doing more Billie Eilish songs, we might not. That's the second one I've done. If you want to learn the other Billie Eilish song that I've done a lesson for, which is Your Power, click on the link below and that'll take you straight to that lesson. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you here soon. Bye.